Let me do the intro while I talk. The Hell's Kitchen. Huh? Welcome to Hell's Kitchen, the real Hell's Kitchen here at Red Room Recorder Studios, where we just cook shit. And I'm gonna be the chef for this evening. In 4 easy steps, I'm gonna teach you how to die. We're gonna sit here and make death with 4 easy steps. I'm gonna show you. Here's my instruction manual. Peep game. Check this out. 1. I believe it's a season. 2. To get fat for your bitches, belly breathing. 3. Your body turn cold till it's freezing. And step 4, I'm unleashing a demon. 1. I believe it's a season. 2. To get fat for your bitches, belly breathing. 3. Your body turn cold till it's freezing. And step 4, I'm unleashing a demon. It's like a solar eclipse. Whenever the flame spits, I'm leaving you blinded. Acrobatical brain flips. I'm playing connected dots with the bullet holes in your brain, bitch. And penetrating your mouth with holes in the brain quick. You niggas know that I'm still on the same shit. Bagging niggas and doing all the things that are dangerous. You niggas know that I'm anxious to take over the game quick. I've been waiting too long for this bullshit, and I ain't on that bitch bullshit. I'm on some other shit. I'm Puerto Rican straight out of the gutter, bitch. And I'ma flip 'em quicker than twist and make a bird flip. I'm flipping quicker than Haitians can make a bird flip. You need to know when I come back. And step 2 is when I put 100 bullets in your back. Step 3, I run into your funeral. And step 4, I shoot up the crowd. How you like me now? 1, I believe it's the season. 2, keep the happy your bitches better breathing. 3, body turn cold till it's freezing. And step 4, I'm unleashing the demons. 1, I believe it's the season. 2, to leave fat for your bitches belly breathing. 3, make your body turn cold till it's freezing. And step 4, I'm unleashing the demon. All of a sudden niggas think they hard cause they born a clock. Body will pop, by the body your heart stops. Now you're getting chopped like I'm studying Japanese. Triggers I squeeze, no time give them to enemies. The words that I speak should be taken as heaven warning. Niggas don't feel it to them bullets, just go to storm and you're begging your pardon. You pussy niggas getting ran over, cause I'm a motherfucking man soldier. I tell you niggas to get out my way and you niggas don't listen. In 4 easy steps, I'ma put you in the kitchen. Step 1, I'ma leave you niggas missing. And step 2, you niggas gon' have me doing life in prison. Step 3, I have a nigga break me out. I had trauma coming, the helicopter take me out. And step 4, I'm coming to your motherfucking front door, and I'ma hit you with that 4-4. Step 1, I believe it's a season. And step 2, I'm leaving you niggas bleeding. Step 3, Chino bodegas in your ear. Have you niggas screaming, you niggas see demons in your fear. Me, you niggas fear me, man. 4 easy steps, I'ma teach you niggas how to cook the best potent death in the world. Anybody can taste this shit and die. Fuck with me, we demons, venomous niggas, Scorpios, we stinging, poisonous niggas. Chino bodega, I see you boy, they don't feel us. The Scorpios, we been doing this shit, man, stinging niggas, straight up. Trauma, they don't want no trauma, straight up. Put niggas in a trauma hospital, bro, have niggas hooked up on rides, nigga, straight up, nigga. Flatline.